Go through. Go through. To experience something difficult. I went through a tough time with my project yesterday. I went through a tough time with my project yesterday. Call out. Call out. To speak loudly or shout, often to get attention. She called out me from across the street, but I didn't hear her. She called out me from across the street, but I didn't hear her. Carry on. Carry on. To continue doing something. We can carry on our conversation. We can carry on our conversation. Pass out. Pass out. To faint. My friend felt dizzy and passed out during the concert. My friend felt dizzy and passed out during the concert. Talk over. Talk over. To discuss something. We talked over the proposal at office. We talked over the proposal at office. Give back. Give back. To return something to its owner. When can you give back my pencil? When can you give back my pencil? Call off. Call off. To cancel something. The football match was called off because of the weather. The football match was called off because of the weather. Run into. Run into. To meet someone by chance or unexpectedly. I ran into one of my clients at the train station. I ran into one of my clients at the train station. See off. See off. To say goodbye when someone is leaving. I saw off my friend at the airport. I saw off my friend at the airport. Take off. Take off. When a plane leaves the ground. My plane will take off at 5 p.m. tomorrow. My plane will take off at 5 p.m. tomorrow. Hold back. Hold back. To stop yourself from doing something. I wanted to talk in the conversation, but I hold back. I wanted to talk in the conversation, but I hold back. Put on. Put on. To wear something. I'll put on my shoes before going out. I'll put on my shoes before going out. Turn down. Turn down. To refuse or lower the volume. I wanted to gift a ring to her, but she turned down it. I wanted to gift a ring to her, but she turned down it. Can you turn down the music, please? Can you turn down the music, please? Take down. Take down. To write something down. Please take down my phone number. Please take down my phone number. Throw up. Throw up. To vomit. To vomit. I threw up my breakfast because I ate something bad. I threw up my breakfast because I ate something bad. Let in. Let in. To allow someone or something to enter a place. I want to let in, open the door, please. I want to let in, open the door, please. Turn around. Turn around. To rotate or change direction. I turned around and looked at him. I turned around and looked at him. Fall down. Fall down. To fall to the ground. I stumbled and fell down here yesterday. I stumbled and fell down here yesterday. Take off. Take off. To remove something. I took off my sweater after feeling hot. I took off my sweater after feeling hot. Wrap up. Wrap up. To finish or complete something. I will wrap up the meeting and go home. I will wrap up the meeting and go home. Come back. Come back. To return. I am coming back home from the school. I am coming back home from the school. Break out. Break out. To start suddenly like a fire or war. I was in home when the fire broke out. I was in home when the fire broke out. Run over. Run over. To hit someone or something with a vehicle. The red car ran over it a man on the street. The red car ran over it a man on the street. Pass away. Pass away. To die. My son passed away last month. My son passed away last month. Get along. Get along. To have a good relationship with someone. I get along with my neighbor. I get along with my neighbor. Take down. Take down. To remove something from a higher position. Can you take down the book for me? Can you take down the book for me? Go on. Go on. To continue doing something. My show was for 2 hours, but it went on for another hour. My show was for 2 hours, but it went on for another hour. Let down. Let down. To disappoint someone. His story is a bit of a letdown. His story is a bit of a letdown. Work on. Work on. To improve or develop something. I need to work on my skill. I need to work on my skill. Take after. Take after. To resemble or be similar to someone. He takes after his father. He takes after his father. Hang out. Hang out. To spend time with friends. We often used to hang out in the nightclub. We often used to hang out in the nightclub. Ask out. Ask out. To invite someone on a date. He asked her out for a coffee nervously. He asked her out for a coffee nervously. Pick up. Pick up. To lift something from a surface. He is picking up the trash from the ground. He is picking up the trash from the ground. Eat out. Eat out. To eat at a restaurant. I ate out with my girlfriend at a new restaurant yesterday. I ate out with my girlfriend at a new restaurant yesterday. Do over. Do over. To do something again. I am doing over but it isn't nicely. I am doing over but it isn't nicely. Pick up. Pick up. To collect someone or something. My father picked up me from school. My father picked up me from school. Give up. Give up. To stop trying or to quit. I hope you won't give up playing the piano. I hope you won't give up playing the piano. Look after. Look after. To take care of someone or something. My daughter always looks after me. My daughter always looks after me. Give away. Give away. To give something for free. They are going to give away some money to charity. They are going to give away some money to charity. Hold on. Hold on. To wait for a short time. I can hold on 10 minutes for the bus, then I have to walk. I can hold on 10 minutes for the bus, then I have to walk.